So let me show you how to restart your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. So unlock your device, and all you have to do is locate the power button, and when you press and hold the power button, it's going to bring up Gemini by default. So to restart your phone, all you need to do is press the power button or the side key and the volume up button simultaneously, and it's going to bring up the power off menu. So press and hold just like that. Once you do that, you're going to see the restart option up here. So slide down for power off or slide up to restart. So because you're restarting, simply slide up just like that and wait for your phone to restart. So you're going to see the OnePlus logo. So wait for that to, you'll feel a slight vibration and your phone is going to restart or start up as usual. And there you go, your phone is restarting. That's basically how to restart your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.